Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2017 Ford B-Max. Quite a straightforward reset, and same as on most of the Fords. Now the service light's not actually on this one, but I'll just run you through the procedure. Now to start with, if you just have your ignition off, and then if you want to turn it on to stage 2 where it puts all the lights on there, and then press and hold the accelerator and the brake, and keep both pedals depressed for about 15 seconds. I don't know if it'll quite do it on this one with this light actually not being on, but after 15 seconds you'll normally get a message appear just saying service reset complete, or it'll flash the service warning up, that's all. And once 15 seconds is gone, you can just release your pedals and just turn the ignition off and back on, and that'll all be reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.